Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kani and today we are going to be doing a palm leaf. So this is for all my bakers. Sometimes it's very hard for us to find all the palm leaves in the colors that we want. So I decided that I'm going to just DIY them from now on. So today I'm going to show you how to do a palm leaf, a purple palm leaf, right? So over here I just have paper. This paper you can get from your stationery shops, all right? So they have them in different colors, orange, yellow, pink, purple, any color that you want to do your palm leaf in, you will definitely find at the stationery shop. All right, so all we need is some color paper and scissors. All right, let's get started. All right, so I'm gonna take one page. This is an A4 page. I'm gonna fold it in half. Fold that in half, and then you're gonna have it like this, like that. Then you want to take the side where you can flip it open, needs to be on your right side. And then we're gonna go in with our scissors. So we want to start cutting from the bottom, and then we'll go up, and then we're gonna create the palm leaf shape. All right. So I'm just gonna create, or cut rather, small part there. That's for the stem. And then after that, I'm gonna go in, and now I'm just gonna do the palm leaf shape. So this is really just tracing. You can trace the palm leaf and then just go over it. All right, so I'm done. Put that aside. So now I've got my palm leaf shape. So you can always just draw it in pencil and then just follow the lines. But I'm used to it now, so I'm a drawer. So now I'm gonna open your palm leaf and just gonna lay that on the floor. And then we are going to fold, what do we call these? Little lines like that. So we're going to follow this pattern until we reach the end part. Okay, so fold the first part. Next, and the next. So you're just going to do this until you reach the end. Okay, let's go again. Let's fix that. Again. Almost there. Alright, so voila, that's all folded from the beginning to the end. And what we're going to do now, we're going to open up our palm leaf. Right, I'm going to open that up, create that shape. Alright, and there you have it, got our palm leaf. So this part, that's the back now, that's where you're going to put in your skewer, and then you'll just put that together with some sellotape, and then you're going to stick it onto your cake. So now, just for aesthetics, I just go in and I cut a small little bit on the lines here. All right, so I'll just show you. So just a small cut there, there. Okay. You can just skip one. It just makes it look nice. Alright, you see, looks a bit nicer, like that. So that's our palm leaf. And that's it. When you're done, you take a skewer, and then you'll just put it there. It will appear here, and then you'll just cover it with your stem. And then when you're finished, you're just going to lay it onto your cake. Alright, I'll show you the cake with this fan on top there somewhere. So that is it, literally. Just needed some scissors and some color paper. Perfect. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Bye.